Hello students, welcome again. Today in this session I am going to discuss about exercise 9.1, 9.2 first main, 9.2 first main. So the heading of the first main is find the sum. Find the sum. You can look into your textbook. Total 7 questions are there. Out of 7 I will solve 4 or 5 questions. Remaining 2 you can take it as a homework or you can try it yourself anyway. Okay, so let's start with the first question, that is 5 by 4 plus under bracket minus 11 by 4. You can observe, you can say fraction also, you can say rational numbers, both are same. 5 by 4 is a positive rational number, plus is the operation, and inside bracket one negative rational number is there, that is minus 11 by 4. The rule says whenever any number is inside bracket, our first duty is to remove it outside. Okay, you have to remove that bracket. To remove any bracket, you need to multiply the outside sign with the inside sign so that the bracket opens and the inside rational number comes out. So solution, this plus 5 by 4 as it is. To open this bracket, what I will do, the outside sign is multiplied with the inside, plus into minus, bracket act as into, so minus, and this 11 by 4 comes out. Already this is a positive, this is a negative. Okay, the subtraction takes place and denominator already they are equal, so no need for any steps to equate the denominator. Already denominators are equal. 4 common, 5 minus 11, 5 minus 11, and you learned in integers, plus 5 minus 11, subtraction will take place. So in 11, if 5 is removed, 6 remains, and denominator 4. If 6 remains and greater number sign, 11 is a greater, its sign is minus, so minus 6 by 4 is our answer. Minus 6 by 4 is the answer. So far you added any two fraction or you subtract two fraction, but always you used to get a positive answer, but here you may get a positive or negative depending upon the greater number sign. Let's take a second question. This 5 by 3 plus 3 by 5. Okay. Solution. Positive rational number. This is also positive rational number, and we can add both these rational number, but the denominators are different. Whenever the denominators are different, you cannot add any two fraction or subtract, but you can multiply, you can divide when denominators are different, but you can't add them or subtract them. Okay, so first our duty is to equate the denominators. How to equate it? 5 by 3 is plus 3 by 5. You can find in between 3 and 5 table, is there any common number? 3 5s are 15, 5 3s are 15. Okay, 15 is the common number. Therefore 3 how much are 15? 5s are. 5 how much are 15? 3s are. So what happens? 5 5s are 25, 3 5s are 15. This plus as it is. 3 3s are 9, 5 3s are 15. You got same denominator now. Whenever you get same denominator, directly common denominator 15, 25 plus 9. This is also positive, this is also positive. Therefore addition will take place. 25 plus 9 is how much? 34. 34 by 15 is your answer. Let's take a third question. Okay, third question. minus 9 minus 9 by 10 plus 22 by 15. Solution. So one is a negative rational number, another one is a positive rational number. That this is a positive rational number, plus 22 by 15. This is a minus 9 by 10 is a negative rational number. So subtraction will take place. So for subtraction we must have same denominator. Here denominator is also different. First note down, minus 9 by 10 plus 22 by 15. No bracket is present. Okay, there is no bracket, so it's a quite easy problem. But in between 10 and 15 table, which is a common number, 10 3s are 30, 15 2s are 30. So 30 is a common number, right? Just if you think in your mind, you can get easily. 10 3s are 30, 15 2s are 30. Okay, so 30 is the common number. Or if you want to multiply 15 here, 10 here, then also you can get same answer. But you are increasing the calculation process. That's it. So whatever 30 is a common. 10 how much are 30? 10 3s are 30. 15 how much are 30? 2s are 30. Whatever I multiply here, same number I should multiply in the numerator. The next step is minus into plus. Minus 9 3s are 27. Minus 27. 30. Plus into plus. Plus 22 is 44, 15 is 30. 30 common. You can take 30 as a common. Next, minus 27 plus 44. According to integer, one is negative, another is positive. Subtraction will take place. If you, out of 44, if you remove 27, how much remains? Okay, 24. 4 other 20, 17. Okay, 17 remains. And greater number sign. Which one is greater among these two? 44, its sign is plus. So plus will come and denominator. 17 by 30 is our answer. Okay. Next, I will take 6th and 7th. 6th and 7th, 4th and 5th you can try it yourself. 6th and 7th. Sixth, minus 2 by 3 plus 0. Solution. 0 is known as the additive identity. 0 is the additive identity. What do you mean by additive identity? Whenever you add any number to 0, the same number repeats. Means the number which you are adding to the 0, its identity remains the same. Minus 2 by 3, I am adding minus 2 by 3 to 0. So the minus 2 by 3 will not lose its sign or as well as its magnitude also. It remains the same. Therefore 0 is known as the additive identity. Just by closing your eyes you can write minus 2 by 3 plus 0. With 0 whatever you add or subtract, the same number it is. But if you multiply any number to 0, the answer becomes 0. So our answer is minus 2 by 3 directly. Seventh one, minus 2 1 by 3 plus 4 3 by 9. Okay, this is a mixed fraction, that's it, nothing else. So whenever these type of problems you face, keep this minus aside. Keep this minus aside and don't think there is no minus. If there is no minus, how you are going to convert any mixed fraction into proper? 3 2s are 6, 6 plus 1 7, and same denominator. So minus 7 by 3. This is a plus, keep plus as it is. 5 4s are 20, 20 plus 3 is a 23 divided by same denominator 5. Now you converted two mixed fraction into improper. Now this is a negative fraction, this is positive fraction, and denominators are also different. Okay, in between 3 and 5, 3 table and 5 table, which is a common number 15 again. 3 5s are 15, 5 3s are 15. So what I will do, I will multiply 5 here. Okay, and I will multiply the same 3. I will take this into equating of these numbers in next step. Okay, this might confuse you. I will multiply 5 here and 3 here. What I will get, minus into plus minus 35 plus as it is 23 3s are 69 by 15, right? So common number 15 minus 35 plus 69. Look here, one is negative, another one is positive. What you are going to do? You are going to subtract. Out of 16, if you remove 35, how much remains? 34 remains. And greater number sign plus 34 divided by this. So our answer is 34 by 15. Okay. So 2 problems are left as a homework for you all. Try it and you can check your answer from the textbook answer. You can compare your answer with the answers given at the end of the textbook. If you have any doubt, you can message me. See you all of you with the new main of exercise 9.2 in next video. Thank you and all. Have a nice day.